Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to delete a game in Steam. Whether you are running out of storage or just need a bit of decluttering, this one's for you, so let's jump right in. First off, launch Steam and head straight to your library. It's kind of a control center for all your games. After that, scroll through your game collection or use search to locate the game you are going to delete. Also, we can filter all those games by installed using filters, so just click right here at filter and then select installed locally. That's how we can easily find all the installed games here, and then all we have to do in order to delete some game is just right click on it, head over to manage, and then click at uninstall. Steam will check in with you asking if you are sure about the decision, confirm it, and just like that, the game is on its way out. As you can see, the game now is not showing here at my installed games. However, it is not gone from my game library and I can later easily find it here in my game collection, and then I can hit add install to install it back again in any time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.